What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to install plugins into our WordPress website. So WordPress is the most used CMS, it's the content management system into your website, so you can build websites using WordPress, but to extend, to go beyond WordPress native features, you can install plugins. And there is plugins for almost anything that you want. For example, in the case that you want to sell on your site using WordPress, you can install ShareCart, you can install WooCommerce, and you can start selling to extend the native features of WordPress, adding shop, cart, checkout, cart system. But how to install those amazing plugins into your WordPress website for free into two different methods is what we're gonna learn into this video, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on a site's favor. So let me give you an overview. For example, imagine that you have no idea how to code and you would like to have a simple and intuitive way to build your page. You can install Elementor. It's a free plugin to extend WordPress features and lets you create amazing landing pages, contact pages, cart pages, about pages, or gallery pages. Or imagine that you would like to receive emails from your site to create a contact form. You can install Contact Form 7 plugin, for example. How to do this? First thing, move to our WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, you go to our domain plus WP admin, and you're gonna go to the WordPress login page. After login, you're gonna be into this page right here. There is other ways to access WordPress, for example, from your hosting account, okay? But we're gonna explore this into another video. Once on this page, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? And right here, you're gonna see this field with a search box and a couple of plugins. You can search for popular plugins, recommended plugins, or favorites plugins, okay? For example, I would like to optimize my content for SEO to appear on Google, and I would like some tips for doing this. I'm gonna install Yoast SEO. So click on install now. Plugin now installed. Now I need to activate the plugin, so I'm gonna click into activate button. As soon as you install a new plugin on your site, the plugin can redirect you to the plugin welcome page, which is the case on this Yoast SEO plugin, a page when you can set up the setup wizard, or it can redirect you to the plugins list on your WordPress website, a list where we can see all of the present plugins on your site. That is this list right here. How to do this now? As you can see, the plugin is now active, but imagine that I would like, for example, to install another plugin, okay? Once again, go to plugins from the WordPress left sidebar of menus, over, click on add new plugin, and I would like to install a plugin called Elementor. So review the upper right corner of my screen. Next to the keyword field, there is a field called search plugins. We're gonna click on it and just type Elementor, just like this. Wait a moment, WordPress gonna search for it, and they find you a lot of Elementor plugins, okay? But what is the most important one? Is this one right here, okay? By Elementor.com. Click on install now. And what are those other plugins right here? Those are Elementor plugin add-ons. How about it? WordPress, it's the bigger option that have plugins, and plugins have sub-plugins that we call it add-ons, okay? We're gonna install the master plugin, the Elementor, and now I'm already able to create pages using a drag and drop building system, okay? A very intuitive and beginners friendly way. Now imagine that I would like to, for example, extend Elementor options. I would like to install an add-on. Imagine that Elementor have 3 ways to create a gallery to display your photos, for example, and you don't like those ways, and you do not want to pay for pro version, so I would like to install an add-on for Elementor. So we're gonna search for a good Elementor add-on, borderless, for example. Now Once again, go to plugins, click on add new plugin, keyword, and search for borderless. Click on install now. Click into activate button. And now you have extended the options from Elementor plugin with an add-on, okay? Simple, but there is a way to delete the plugin. Of course, we can delete the plugin. First, we need to deactivate the plugin, okay? As you can see, into the plugins list on your site, there is always a button to deactivate. We're gonna click on it, and then we're gonna click on delete. Plugin is now deleted. There is other ways to install plugins. Of course there is. We can install the plugin from the plugin file on your computer. Imagine that you purchase the plugin into a platform like Code Canyon, or you download it into the developer site. Let me show you one example. I have downloaded Borderless plugin from WordPress.org. That is the safer way to download plugins, okay? Now I'm gonna go to plugins from my WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover my mouse over add new plugin, and now we're gonna review the upper left corner of my screen. Next to add plugins there is a button called upload plugin. Click on it. Now if you have a plugin in a zip format, you may install or upload it by uploading it here. So click on choose file. Select the file that you just have downloaded. In my case, it's this one right here, borderless.zip, okay? Click on install. Wait a moment. Now, as you can see, installing plugin from uploaded file. Installing package, installing the plugin, plugin installed successfully. Click on activate plugin. And you have the plugin active in the same way, okay? Simple, easy, and very, very effective. Now imagine that you would like to have a contact form to receive leads from your site, for example. So once again, click on add new plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, next to keyword, we're gonna search for contact. And as you can see, there is a lot of contact form plugins that you can play with. We have tutorials on our YouTube channel about every single plugin. So in the case that you want to learn from it, just search for Visual Modo plus the theme that you are looking for. Okay, so there is a lot of options to play with, and you can choose the one that works for you most. Okay, simple, easy, and very, very effective. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. From time to time, go to our WordPress dashboard, click into plugins, and review if there is any update available for these plugins, okay? Just to make things secure, okay? We as developers keep updating our plugins to fix bugs, to add new features, and to follow the latest security recommendations, okay? So it's always good to keep things updated, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg or Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog and receive and publish guest posts. Our Sites.gallery, that is a place where you can promote your site, your app, your game, anything that you want can be promoted right here. And as a final note, in the case you want to count on our full support while doing your site, or premium blocks, themes, templates, plugins, options, icons, and many more features, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!